Here is how you can create a carousel in After Effects. Start by create a composition. This is where you can rename your composition. Change the dimensions to 1080 by 1080. Set the frame rate to 30. Set the duration to 5 seconds.
This is Sparta!
To set the stage, create a gray solid for the background. Alright, let's keep it rolling. Import your images into the project. Grab all the images and bring them onto the scene. Scale them down. Here's a clean track. Press Ctrl R to bring up the rules and add guides around your images. Alright. Push all the images to the right side of the guide. Create a null object. We want to place 8 images around a full 360-degree circle. So just divide 360 by 8. And yeah, that gives you 45 degrees each. Next step, parent the first image to the null and set its rotation to plus 45 degrees. And for the next one, parent the second image to the null and set its rotation to plus 45 degrees as well. Repeat this for all 8 images in order, so they form a full circle. Move the playhead to 5 seconds and add a keyframe. Then go back to 0 seconds and set the rotation to 0 degrees. And to smooth it out, hit F9, then jump into the graph editor and crank up the intensity. Select all the images, hit R, and set every rotation back to 0. Drag the playhead to 5 seconds and set the rotation to 1. Select both keyframes, hit F9 to smooth them, and boost the curve in Graph Editor. If the image and null rotations aren't syncing, just adjust their rotation values like 2 and 3 until they match. Select all layers except the background and switch them to 3D. If your panel doesn't look like this, just click that toggle button until the 3D icons show up. Set the next one to -60, the next to -50, and so on. Finally, set the last image to -20. For the grand finale, give the null a left-right rotation and smooth it out for a perfect finish. If you liked this video, smash that like.